Hello my BaeHive, this is Siddha from Bombay, where we reimagine hair removal day in and out. And today we are going to be talking about changing your facial hair removal game with ta-da-da, face razors. Before we begin, we thought we'd have a little fun with it. We went around and asked a few people whether they even knew that face razors existed for women, and we were surprised but also quite expected. Let's see what they had to say.
Face razor for women, वो क्या होता है? I don't think so ऐसा कुछ concept है.
I've been using the same for 2 years now.
Face razor लड़कियों के लिए पागल हो गई क्या? मूंछें आ जाएंगी.
लेकिन उससे बाल थोड़े dark नहीं आते?
What are these random things you find off the internet?
Face razor for women? Shaving तो लड़के करते हैं ना?
I'm scared यार.
Wow, that was eye-opening, right? वैसे आपको already पता है face razors क्या होता है? That's why you're looking at this video so far. But for the newbies, here's a quick recap. A face razor is a super convenient tool that helps get rid of unwanted facial hair anytime, anywhere. With this, you don't need to make frequent trips to the salon to get rid of unwanted facial hair. अगर हम थोड़ा sciencey terms में बात करें तो facial hair removal can be of two types, epilation and depilation. Epilation is when you remove hair from the roots by pulling it out, let's say with a thread or with a tweezer or by waxing it. And depilation is when you remove hair at the surface level by using something like a razor. Now let's talk a little bit about why you should really use a face razor. And before we begin with that, let's play a little game of fact or fiction. Number 1. Face razor helps put makeup on easier. Yes my friends, it is in fact a fact. फेस रेजर से आपका सारा पीच फल बहुत आराम से निकल जाता है एंड उससे स्किन इतनी स्मूथ रह जाती है कि उसके बाद कोई भी स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट या कोई भी मेकअप बहुत अच्छी से एब्जॉर्ब होके बहुत इवनली लेयर होता है स्किन पर. नंबर 2. आई विल गेट अ स्टैश इफ आई यूज अ फेस रेजर. नहीं यार, दैट्स फिक्शन. Face razor will not lead to any stash or any hair growing back thicker, which a lot of people think. The only thing that can affect it is your genes. I have been using a face razor for the past 4 years and can you see a mustache? Number 3. I have PCOS and hence I cannot use face razor. Again, that's fiction. PCOS or not, as long as you use the face razor in the right manner, it will not change anything for you. The only difference in someone who has PCOS is that they might have to use the face razor more frequently just because of their condition. Fact and fiction aside, let us really summarize कि face razor के क्या क्या फायदे होते हैं. First and most important is it helps remove facial hair in a very painless manner. Second, it helps exfoliate the skin through the use of the razor. Third, because of this exfoliation, it also helps set the perfect base for putting on makeup or any skincare on the face. Fourth, did you know that face razor also helps improve collagen production on your face? I bet you didn't know that, right? Now let's talk about which face razor is the best for you. वैसे तो आपकी खुद की choice है, but at Bombay we have 3 different face razors for you to choose from. सबसे पहला is called No Fuss Given. Very smart name and an even smarter razor. This one is a very handy little tool that comes with a protective cover, has a stainless steel blade and can be your buddy anytime, anywhere, like with every other face razor. Number 2 is the foldable face razor and it's called the Bold Fold. And in fact, the fold is pretty bold. This one is very sleek, can fold and very snugly fit into your pocket and be your travel companion again, anytime, anywhere. And the last and my most favorite one is the Eco Warrior, which is a biodegradable face razor. Can you believe it? It's made up of 80% wheat straw, comes with a cover, and I love the grip and hold. It feels like I'm holding a very very kind thing on the palm of my hand and it's even kinder to my face. तो मुद्दे की बात आते हैं. Let me show you how to use the face razor. Hair removal with a face razor has 4 simple steps. I like to call it CAS. Step number 1. Cleanse. First you want to make sure that your face is totally clean and free of any makeup or residue to clear away any grime and soften your peach fuzz. Step number 2. Apply. We strongly recommend using an aloe gel base or a thin layer of cream on your slightly damp face to create a perfect base for using the face razor. Step number 3 is shave. Tilt the razor and lightly place it against your skin. We recommend holding it at a 45 or 30 degree angle. Use short, light strokes to shave the hair in the direction of your hair growth to avoid any ingrowth. You can use the other hand to pull the skin taut and prevent the razor from skipping or tugging on the skin. Step number 4. Soothe. Splash a little water over your face to wash away any leftover fuzzies and then follow up with a gentle aloe vera gel or a water-based moisturizer. So, I hope you finally gotten a hang of it and cannot wait for you to try out our amazing face razors. Please drop in any questions you have in the comment section below. Bye!